Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Whitespark Local Rank Tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Whitespark Local Rank Tracking, begin by visiting the Whitespark website. Create an account if you do not have one, or log into your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the Local Rank Tracker section. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. You will be prompted to enter your business details, including your business name and address. Input the primary keywords you want to track for your local search rankings. Select the locations from which you want to track your rankings. This can include different cities or specific areas where your customers are located. After entering all necessary details, proceed to the next step to configure your tracking settings. Choose how often you want to receive rank updates, such as daily or weekly. Determine if you would like to receive email notifications regarding performance updates. Once your settings are configured, review all entries for accuracy. When satisfied, click on the Save or Continue button to finalize your setup. Your Whitespark Local Rank Tracking system will now begin to monitor your chosen keywords and locations. You should receive confirmations regarding your tracking setup and initial rankings within a short period. Now, familiarize yourself with the dashboard where you can access your local rank data. Explore various features like report generation and competitor comparisons available in the tool. Keep an eye on your email for any alerts or important updates regarding your rankings. Regularly log in to track your progress and make adjustments to your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.